The cause of a loose quick-release front wheel axle could be the loosening of the nut securing the hub, which causes the hub to wobble. Tighten the nut that secures the hub. After tightening, the wheel should no longer wobble. Tighten the second nut that secures the hub, and use a torque wrench for additional reinforcement. Be careful not to tighten it completely, just ensure that the distance between both nuts is the same. If the distance between the two nuts is uneven, it may cause the axle to shift to one side, which will prevent the front wheel from locking properly. Lift the tire and perform a rotation test. If the wheel is too tight, there will be noticeable resistance, and the tire will quickly stop rotating. At this point, you can slightly adjust the nut tension to ensure the wheel rotates smoothly.